Hello, everyone out there. We at Pour Some Sugar have decided that we are going to offer our STL files for sale on our new website, PourSomeSugarAZ.com. We are for sure going to do this during the coronavirus kind of confusion that's going on out there right now. We are currently closed down due to our own concerns. Hopefully, we're going to be back up in a week or two to finish printing. But for sure, in the meantime, we're going to offer our STL files for sale. We wanted to make this quick video to kind of go over how our cutters are made and small changes we are making to the STL files that we're offering for sale versus our normal cutters that we put out, and how to add them to a slicer and get them orientated correctly for printing. We will not be going over any printing settings just because there are so many variances in 3D printers available and even PLA filaments, PETG filaments. We do recommend that you only print these in PLA or PETG. So here's our basic cutter in Fusion 360. Okay, looking at our cutter here, you will notice that our viewing angle is from the top and it's based in the lower left-hand corner of the model. You'll notice the handle is at the top, so this will create a little bit of an issue when we import the model into the slicing software. Basically, we will need to rotate the model 180 degrees around the Z-axis to get this portion on the bottom of the build plate. With our typical cutters, you'll notice we have this extra thickness area that helps give them some sturdiness to the cutters. And then we taper down to a thinner cutting edge. So on the cutters, the STL files that we are putting up for sale, we are basically taking that sturdy layer and bringing it back down into the handle layer. And so you're left with just the cutting edge coming down. These cutters will work perfectly fine. They just won't necessarily be as sturdy as you're used to with our cutters that we're printing ourselves. We've done this to help you guys lower your printing times. We know some people may be printing these on community printers with time limits, so we're wanting to do everything to help you get a good cutter quickly with as little material as possible. Okay, so this is Prusa Slicer. It's a free slicing software you can get from Prusa's website. It does work best with the Prusa printers. It is all the settings are calibrated to work with the Prusas. They don't have any settings for other printers. It is possible to build your own settings. It doesn't really work as well until you get them dialed in. So we go over to here. We'll add our model. And you'll notice with our model, it is brought in with the cutting edge on the build plate. And that's because of how we build the models. We want this handle edge to be on the build plate. The easiest way to do this is while the model is selected, use this place on face option. You select this area that is the plane for the handle, and it will automatically add that to the to be down on the build plate. Go ahead and slice your model, and then you can export your G-code to your SD card, put your SD card in your printer, and have fun printing.